The Infinix Smart HD 2021 is the most affordable smartphone released by the brand so far this year. How much value does it offer for just under $100 or 40,000 naira? And don't ask me why it is named HD. I'm just as curious as you. What is up guys, Izzy here again with another review. This time a very budget phone. You could call it the budget of budget phones. This is the Infinix Smart HD 2021. When you look at the Infinix Smart HD, the first thing that might come to mind is how well it can suit your basic phone needs, seeing that this comes at a very low and affordable price point, or should I say entry-level price point. For about 40,000 naira, you get a solidly built and compact device with specs I'd say is just enough to give you the basic Android experience. It packs 2GB of RAM and 32GB in storage, a single 8MP rear camera setup and an 8MP selfie camera with dual LED flash. Also a 12nm MediaTek Helio A20 processor, a 5000 mAh battery, and it runs on the Go edition of Android 10. With the specifications out of the way, let's see what comes in the box when you purchase the Infinix Smart HD. It is a typical unboxing experience as with all Infinix devices. All accessories present. Infinix maintains the tradition of always adding a protective casing and a screen protector no matter the price of the device. Very handy. There is no SIM ejector tool, and that is because the SIM card slot is not side mounted. It took me a while to figure out as I was already used to having the SIM slot on the side. I did figure it out eventually, and we have the old style where you have to remove the back cover to access the SIM and memory slot. It still supports dual nano SIM cards, and there is a slot for an SD card should you need it. You definitely need it. While you are able to remove the back cover, note that the battery is not removable, so do not try to do that. If you are enjoying this video so far, a thumbs up and a sub to the channel will be very much appreciated. The rear of the Infinix Smart HD, as you already may have noticed, is plastic and it has a glossy finish, very easy to pick up fingerprint smudges. It has this shiny V pattern design pointing downwards. There is a fingerprint scanner on the rear, something you don't really see at this price point, so that is a plus. It does the job to unlock the device as expected. You can also use face unlock for security. The rear camera is placed in a slight square bump. While it looks like a dual camera setup, it is actually a single camera with flash. The speaker on the Smart HD is also on the rear towards the bottom left of the device, and it actually sounds decent. Good that you won't obstruct it while holding the device in landscape mode, but you will obstruct it if you place it on its back. You have a single noise cancelling microphone at the bottom and the micro USB port. There's no getting USB-C at this price point. The headphone jack is at the top and there is nothing on the left side. The software on the Infinix Smart HD is Android 10 Go edition with Infinix XOS 6.2. As expected with XOS, you are going to have a couple of pre-installed apps or bloatware that you might need to uninstall. Since this is the Go version of Android, you are not going to be getting full Android features such as gesture navigation, split screen multitasking. You could say that is a compromise for getting the device at such a low price point. You will also need to use the light version of applications for the best experience. Standard applications are going to work, but you might experience stutters. The Google Play Store will recommend the light version of applications for the best performance. On the display side of things, you have a 6.1 inches 720p display, which actually looks really good for its price. You can get up to 500 nits of peak brightness, which makes it usable outdoors on bright conditions. Quite good for a device at this price point. YouTube content here is capped at 720p and the content looks decent. You have sizable bezels around the display and the selfie camera is placed in a drop notch style. You also get a front flash for nighttime selfies. For gaming, you'll have to stick with the basic games as this is an entry-level device and not really one you want to stress with advanced level gaming. If you're wondering why my setup or icons look like this, is because I'm using the Microsoft launcher. Quite easy to set up. Aside its price, one of the best features of the Infinix Smart HD has to be its battery life. It is a 5000 mAh battery on a device running Android 10 Go edition with a 720p display. You can go up to 2 days on a full charge with this device on regular use, and you will not need to grab your charger. As for network and internet, the Infinix Smart HD does well. However, it does not have 4G network. You only get up to 3G, but I'd say it's just fast enough as long as you have a reliable internet connection. I'm sure you've been waiting to see its camera performance. The Infinix Smart HD 2021 has an 8MP selfie camera and an 8MP rear camera. It takes pictures that are quite okay for its price. You'll get a couple of camera modes including beauty and portrait mode. On selfies you notice a bit of background overexposure. Hard to complain when you know the price point this device is coming at. For video it can only do up to 720p on both the selfie and the rear cameras. Okay, so hello guys, I'm out testing the cameras of the Infinix Smart HD. You are looking at video from the selfie camera, which is 5MP, and it can only shoot up to 720p videos from both front and the rear cameras. Let me know what you think about the picture quality you've seen so far and the video quality of the Infinix Smart HD. Peace. In summary, the Infinix Smart HD is a decent device for its price, aimed at someone on a very tight budget and have no need for advanced functionality, but still want that Android experience with good battery life. It is affordable and it should give you your money's worth. So that's it. That is the Infinix Smart HD 2021. Do hit that thumbs up and subscribe button if you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Peace.